Hello everyone and welcome on this new deeper analysis video on the gold from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. So before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and please leave a comment and share the video if you wish to. Second of all, I'm so proud to say our signal of last selling of the gold at 2333 from last Saturday actually has worked very well, and the gold indeed went in 350 pips of profit. It was a fantastic and very straightforward signal. Congratulations for those who have taken it. Even though we have actually sent an update to wait for the gold to rise again to reach that level of a resistance, but this signal hasn't been closed or cancelled. We just kept it suggesting that the gold has a potential to continue the rise. However, also I would like to highlight that last Wednesday I have sent also a deal of the day to sell the gold from 2311, which unfortunately failed, and the gold just went against our direction, which I mean it's really normal. I mean, we cannot really guess the direction every single time. We are of course doing the best we can, and we just have to follow the market. Anyway, what's next now with the gold for the upcoming week of the July? Well, first of all, we have to understand that it's going to be a quite busy week for everyone. Monday, we will have the ISM PMIs. Then on Wednesday, we have the FOMC statement. Before that, even Tuesday, we have Mr. Jerome Powell. He's going to make a speech. So all of that actually, guys, might affect the gold. So for that, we have to be very careful and make sure that you are trading the gold wisely and consider all the fundamentals before you open these trades. Now, what's next with the gold? That's the big question. So, last week again, we have sent a signal to sell the gold from 2333. Now, what happened later on Thursday and Friday, is actually Friday, the gold rose again to reach the same level of that resistance. So, what we have right here is basically a resistance number 1 and right here, resistance number 2. Which means the same level is still being respected. But how long is the gold gonna be able to hold that position? In my opinion, not for so long. Let me first of all delete the old signal. So now we can start actually from scratch. Now, of course, first things first, let's now move to the weekly chart to understand what's going on in the market. Now, what we will do first of all is to draw, of course, a channel. So right now we can see that we have here a channel that shows us the direction of the gold, and as we can see, the gold, my friends, has indeed made here a strong bullish breakout from that channel of the real level of a resistance trend line, and so far is still bouncing at the same level of a newborn support trend line. Now that means that the gold most likely is going to continue the rise in the upcoming week. Now if we zoom in right now, let me just show you something. So based on the weekly chart, we can see clearly that the market right now is still bouncing on that level of a support. Now remarkably, based on the weekly chart again, we still have right here this inverted hammer candle has appeared, of course, on a support level, and the appearance of this candle usually can be used as a confirmation that the gold is going to continue the rise. Now, why am I saying that the gold is going to continue the rise too? Let me just show you something here. So let me now switch to the daily chart. Now, based on the daily chart, what we can see right here, of course, my friends, is a very clear flag. And the appearance of this flag usually means that the market right now is getting trapped in what we call the bottleneck right here. So right now the gold has actually been bouncing on that levels of the triangle, and most likely right now is going to be also bouncing inside of this triangle till the end. Then what will going to happen, in my opinion, that we will have what we can call a price explosion. A price explosion, it means that the market is going to make a massive movement. It's going to be either for the bullish or the bearish. Now, why am I expecting it to be for the bullish? First of all, usually when you see a flag right here, it means actually that the market right now is getting ready for the bullish reversal. Second of all, the market, my friends, is still respecting that level of a key support. Let me just make it sure it's clear for you. Exactly right there. Now, we need to separate the real levels of a support from the fake ones. So right now, based on the daily chart again, right here we have a real level of a support, and then right here a fake breakout from that level of a support, and then the same level of a real support has indeed been respected. Let's keep going. Again, another fake breakout. Why do I say fake breakout? Fake breakout means that the market actually has fooled us. We thought that this was actually a strong bearish candle, and the market right now is going to continue the fall, but that didn't happen, and instead the market just kept rising, which means that was indeed a fake breakout. Now, where was the real level of a support being respected? Right here exactly. Again, at 23, let me just be sure, 2306 or 2307, the market indeed, my friends, kept respecting the same level of a real support. Now, what's happening here is again the same thing happening, another fake breakout, and right now the gold seems like it's actually reversing at the edge of that triangle or a resistance trend line, and most likely it will continue the fall till it reach again the same level of a real support, and that, in my opinion, is going to be the best level to long the gold, hoping this time it will actually make the massive breakout. Of course, it all depends on the fundamentals that we're having this week. It's going to be really busy week. I'm expecting Mr. Jerome Powell to say something that will actually help the gold and gives it a boost. Now, let me just tell you something. If we will ever witness here a bullish breakout from that level of a resistance trend line, most likely the gold will continue the rise at least to reach actually this level of a resistance right here at 2377. And that is, in my opinion, going to be the eventual target for the gold. So I'm expecting from the gold to continue the fall again. We will buy it exactly at this level of a support, and then it will continue the rise till it reach that level of a key resistance, which usually, of course, Fibonacci 61.8. And as I'm telling you exactly, it is almost at 61.8. So, of course, that's going to be, of course, my our target. And we will open the trade exactly at Fibonacci 23.6, exactly at 2324, but not exactly there. I mean, the market right now is right there. So based on the daily chart, we have the levels. However, if I would like to have a specific and very accurate entry, I would like to make it right here exactly below 23.6 at 2310. That is, in my opinion, is going to be our best level to start buying the gold. We have to wait for the market to fall to another 150 pips before we can start buying it, expecting around 600, let's say about 700 pips of profit from this trade. However, let me just delete everything here so I can show you something more. We just want a final confirmation that indeed 2310 is going to be the best level to start buying the gold, and that can of course be seen by using the support trend lines. Check this out. So now what I'm going to do is simply highlight the real levels of a support trend line exactly like that. So now what we have right here, again based on the daily chart, is a support trend line number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, 5, 6, 7, and another fake breakout. We have here, of course, another fake breakout. However, if the gold will continue the fall, it will reach the same level of that support trend line, and again, final confirmation that we can start buying the gold exactly from there. So therefore, our safe zone this time should not actually reach or actually be below, or actually a little bit lower than this level. Or actually, let me just tell you something. We can make it just right there at the absolutely lowest level of a real support right here at 2283, which means our safe zone will be ranging for around 270 pips against 670 pips of profit. Allow me please now to write the signal for you. And there goes your signal, my friends, for the gold. I hope it's gonna work very well. And again, my friends, don't forget to join our free group of Telegram to trade with the Extreme Trader team, so you will not be trading by yourself. Make sure that if you join this group, you will receive updates about this deal. For example, if I notice any price action going against us, I will update you right here on Telegram. So this is something I cannot do on YouTube. You have got to follow us here on Telegram. Now, how to join this group of Telegram? By simply look it up here, Extreme Trader Signals. Make sure that you are joining the right group, because unfortunately there are a lot of scammers who pretending to be Extreme Trader, and they are using our name and logo for that matter, of course, to convince the members that they are Extreme Trader. Now, of course, that is something they will do only to use our success and very high reputation in this market. Because if we are bad or if we are not good, nobody will bother to pretend to be Extreme Trader. Now, seeing at least 11 of them pretending to be us, that really make me somehow proud, because otherwise, if I'm not successful, then otherwise, why would they pretend to be Extreme Trader? Of course, the fastest way to join the group is by checking the description link below of this video. just check the description. You will find, my friends, the link to join the free group of Telegram, and you will find another link to join or actually to contact our support to join the VIP group of Telegram. This week we have made around 560 pips, actually even more. We have almost made 600 pips of profit, and this is of course our VIP group of Telegram. As you can see, full of profits, full of greens, barely with any losses at all. So of course you can give a try and join this VIP group. Look at that, my friend. This is really amazing. This is awesome. I'm really so proud and very excited about our work. So anyway, my friends, I hope it's gonna be a good signal, and hopefully we will all make good profits with it. And until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.